So who are we? Happy Hollow Farm is a family-run leather artisan business located in the Tennessee Smoky Mountains. We are focused on building high-quality leather goods from the best available materials. We make each order by hand, and we make them from the hide up. We do not outsource or offshore any process. Customer service is not a word that we just throw up to appease people. We actually implement customer service as it used to be. You can call or email us, and the person who responds will be an artisan who knows about building quality leather goods. We are focused on building quality leather goods, not on increasing our size or our bottom line.
How it's made. Briefcase. There are many ways to build a briefcase. But how do you build a briefcase that is attractive, built from the best available components, designed to last, and supported by artisans? In this video, we are going to show you how to do just that. First, you must start with the best available leather. What you see here is a full-grain vegetable tan leather hide from one of the world's best tanneries, Wickett and Craig in Pennsylvania. Now we are going to show you how we turn this into this. The following clips show the manual cuts that we make based upon the products we are building. The long cuts that you see are things like the crossbody strap, rope handles, top zipper, and the gusset. Next, the standard pieces are cut with steel dies that produce accurate cuts from a precise assembly. We have discovered that using top quality components is a key ingredient in producing top quality leather products. Here, we are cutting premium suede that will line the briefcase. Now, all the pieces are cut and ready for the next stage. The number of pieces you see here is needed to produce the briefcase in a precise manner. Each one of these steps is what we go through to produce not only a high-quality leather product, but one that is functional, attractive, and durable. We finish all exposed edges in a 4-step process. We heat the edges first to cause the exposed fibers to lay down. followed by application of a base coat of edge finish, then edge paint, which is the color, and lastly a protective top coat. On several products that we make, we include rope handles. Here we trim, assemble, and sew the rope handles to prepare them for installation on the briefcase. As the prepping is finished up, we now put it all together, as you will see in the following steps. The following are some images showing the finished briefcase and also illustrating the process we use in all of the items we build. Also, a few customer comments on our quality and support. To learn more, please go to https://happyhollowfarm-tn.com. Thank you.
Please subscribe. When you do that, it enables more people to see this video. The YouTube algorithm will elevate this video and more people will both see it and be able to participate if you subscribe and like this video.